Hello everyone, my name is Nargis and today I'm going to tell you about my web page. In my web page there is my file. You can see feedback.html. Start from here, doc type HTML and then language head tag. What we write in head tag that is not visible but that is compulsory to that is body tag. What you write in body tag that is visible when you go live server and see your web page. That is header. In header tag I write here one more tag that is uh, h1 tag, that is big heading. In big heading I write here submit feedback, that is navigation links. ul means unordered. When we write when we write our code in ul, that is unordered. When we go live server, that is not in uh, number wise, that is just in lines. And that is ahref, that is link tag. You can touch here so you can see my another websites. Main tag, that is form means when we write in form means wrap all forms element together and defines where and how data is sent using attributes like action and method. And label tag we use for the label tag is used to describe what an input field like fill full name and email, etc. The four attributes connects the label to the input field using the input's id, and then this improves accessibility. Screen re- readers can identify which level belongs to which input. Also, clicking the label focus in input box. What is use of input input tag? The input tag allows user to enter and data tags data tags for normal text and placeholder. There is placeholder we use for shows a hint text inside the box. And id, there is id, that is id. And id we use for uniquely identifies the field used with label. And there is name is used for gives the input a variable name, contact important when submitting form data. And input type radio. There is input type radio. Okay, it's use radio buttons let users select only one option from a group. All buttons with the same name belong to one group. The value is what gets sent when the form is submitted. And text area. Text area we use for uh, used multi-line text input like long feedback or comments. And rows and calls, that is rows rows and calls uh, control the visible size. And placeholder gives You already know placeholder gives a hint to the user. And button tag, there is button tag we use for create a clickable button. Type submit sends the form data to the server. And then form tag, you already know there is a men as a footer. In footer we write here p tag, you know about that p tag used for paragraph. And in paragraph I write here 2025 student portal dot all rights reserved. Thank you for listening.